Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find passwords and accounts. As you can see right here, we've got a whole Google section, and of course you can add or remove Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let me tap on it, and here just find the accounts for owner and tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email over phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so let me tap on next. And here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it the rest. So let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so simply tap on next. I will stick with the first option. And right now we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it. And here we've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.